sunshine, welcome back. Today I will be sharing out my fall favorites and also will be cleaning out and baking and cooking, a little bit of everything. And let's start by saying that my all-time favorite of all, it's the pumpkin spice from Starbucks. Anything that it's pumpkin spice, I love. I am into it. And when I found the pumpkin spice from Starbucks, I was super excited because that saves me a lot of time for me to go out and buy me the drink. And actually the way I do drink it in here, it's I add cinnamon into the coffee. It brings that extra flavor into it, and oh my god, you guys should definitely try it out. I usually put the 8 cups of water, and then I'll put the 3 tablespoons of coffee ground, and then half a teaspoon of the cinnamon into the coffee, and that tastes amazing. And to top it off, I do also use a pumpkin spice creamer. It really doesn't matter what type of creamer I get, as long as it's pumpkin spice. I love it. And a little bit of a cinnamon on top. I'm super excited to say that this video is also in collaboration with 4 beautiful mamas, with Rosa from Gram Life, Daisy from Beautiful Life, Stephanie from Stephanie's Simple Life, and Tara Olsen. All their channels will be linked down below so you guys can go and check them out. They all have similar content as mine. They are such amazing mamas, so please go check them out, show them some love, let them know that I send you guys over. And if you guys are coming from any of these mamas channels, welcome. My name is Anna. I have 4 boys and I do a lot of cleaning motivational videos, a lot of lifestyle, anything mom related you will find here on my channel. Today I'm mainly focusing on the fridge and putting all the groceries away. I am not doing a deep clean on the fridge, but I am doing a surface clean, if you guys can say, and taking out all the food that it doesn't work, which I'm super happy because I didn't have to throw anything away. We've been doing really good with eating all the leftovers, and actually I am going to be preparing a chicken noodle soup. We have some chicken leftovers from last night, and that it's going to be our meal for today. And I love chicken noodle soup. It's one of my favorites in fall, but let's be real, here in Arizona it's extremely hot, and sometimes the warm food, it's not convenient. But I'm still gonna make that chicken noodle soup because inside of the house doesn't really feel hot with the AC. So that is what we are going to make for dinner. And all I'm doing right now, it's just putting everything away, putting all the groceries away. And I love to put all the food that it's in boxes into containers. I don't like to store any type of box in the pantry. I just think that that makes the pantry look a little bit ugly, and at least you guys can see more what you guys have if you have any type of like glass or clear containers. Dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. Now, since I did decorate the area where I used to have the fruit, I am putting it in front of the pantry on this countertop, and I'm just placing all the fruit on top of this tier tray that I have, that we got that one from the 99 cents only, and also from that basket. That basket, it's so nice. I have a few of those in the pantry, but I decided to take it out since it's fall season and it kind of like scream out fall. And I'm just cleaning out the countertops with Mrs. Mayer's acorn spice. I recently bought this one and I love it so much. So far right now, this is what I'm using, even though I have other multi-surface cleaners. But I'm so in love with this smell. Every time the kids come in the house, they always ask, it smells so good, what is it? So that is one of my other favorites for fall so far. Now, I did replace the soap dispenser for the dishes. I put it back into the soap container and replaced it for the Mrs. Mayer's apple cider scent. That is another one that I love so much. Every time I'm washing the dishes, it's kind of like I'm washing my hands at the same time, and I love that smell so much.
Baby, when we met, I was kind of lonely. I had lost my groove, no one there to hold me. Just what I wanted, just what I needed. You saw me through. I was on a slow train headed for a heartbreak.
I hope you are enjoying this so far and that you consider subscribing to be part of my little YouTube family. I love to interact with you, so also leave a comment. Don't be shy.
Do the things you do, and I don't mind. Just take your time, I'll let you do.
Every time I have pans that are extremely hard to clean like this one, I love to put some water and dish soap, and then I'll just put it on the stove so it could boil. That it's easier to clean it out. All the grime, it's easier to come off because it like soften it. If you have any type of problems like mine with the pans, try that tip and it works amazing. You don't have to scrub it that much.
And I just love to hear you walking through the door now. Ooh, you came along, played any song, so turn it up, don't ever stop. It's how you do the things you do, and I don't mind. Just take your time, I'll let you do the things you do. You're so right, gonna lay it on the line, yeah. I will let you do the things you do, yeah. Rock my soul, got me calling out for more, yeah. Ooh, all the things you do. So turn it up, don't ever stop. It's how you do the things you do, and I don't mind. Just take your time, I'll let you do the things you do. Oh my darling, got me started hanging on. Ooh, so excited, I can't hide it. You're the one. Ooh, all the things you do. My darling, got me started hanging on. So excited, I can't hide it. You're the one.
Another favorite thing that we love to eat in fall season, it's the pumpkin spice cake. Like I said, everything that it's pumpkin spice, I'm all up for. And I bought that one at Walmart. It's just the store brand box, and it came out really, really delicious, guys. Like the smell when I was baking it, oh my God. It was amazing. And I'm just following the directions on the back of the box. Nothing fancy or anything. I'm using that pumpkin mold that I got 2 years ago from Walmart when they had the after Halloween sale. I bought it for 100. I bought it for $1.50, and then the other one I also bought it at Walmart, but that was $2.50. I'm just gonna be following the directions on the box, put it at 350, baking it, and while that it's baking, I'm gonna wash the dishes because I don't want the dishes to piled up and end up with a lot of dishes the following day. And to start doing the chicken noodle soup, I'm just gonna be using carrots, celery, and onion. The cupcakes smells amazing. Everyone is saying that it smells really good.
It smells amazing. It smells amazing. I'm doing work right now.
One of our favorites.
That's why I love my wife. Reach up and see my wife.
The reason you guys see that I cut the onion extremely big, it's because my kids don't like onion. The way I do the chicken noodle soup, I'll just melt butter and then I'll start sauteing the vegetables for probably 2 minutes, and then I'll add the garlic and the chicken stock. And I am gonna be adding the leftover chicken stock that I have, and since I didn't have enough, I add an extra chicken stock box.
It fell right there.
Yeah, that happened to me. As always, like I said, I am a mess when I cook. Anyways, after I do add the chicken stock, I add the soup. Usually I'll add the chicken first, but since I've already had the leftover chicken that it was cooked, I'm gonna skip that part and go straight to the soup, and then I'll add some oregano, bay leaves, and salt, and let it simmer for probably 5 minutes until the soup is tendered, and that's it.
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it. But you're also leaving me behind.
Another favorite that I had so far is this hand cream rose water from Bath and Body Works. It's always good to take care of your hands, and that is one of the reasons I try to keep hand lotions or hand cream close by me, and I am gonna be using that owl to store that little hand cream.
Won't you stay?
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also to go and check all these ladies that are amazing. All the links to their channels will be linked down below, so you can go and check them out as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
All you see